Now I want to show you possibly the coolest suggestion that I have in this whole course. Maybe, I don't know if it's coolest, but certainly maybe the most effective to make money long term.
This video is brought to you by OppiPies Academy.
And that is a strategy to make literally thousands of dollars per person that orders your gig. And the example I'm going to give you is my Udemy course on Udemy. It's a Udemy gig, and basically I help people to improve their course, or sometimes I help people to maybe just as they're planning to give them advice about their course, something to help them along with their Udemy experience, right? And it's $5. And my upsells are, I have a few, but it's not like I'm going to make thousands of dollars with these, right? So that's not how I make my money here. The smart thing that I do is, of course I help people as the gig says, but during the help, and this is a business coaching gig where I help people on Skype and I have a real conversation with them here, right? You see that it's on Skype. And during this call, I get to understand what they're doing, right? I get to know what they're trying to do on Udemy. And if I am able to either partner with them or somehow take advantage of their expertise, for example, like one very recent awesome gig that I have is somebody contacted me. They were making a course on how to make Android apps. Well, guess what? I'm actually an Android developer, and I have my own successful apps that I made. And I have a Udemy course on marketing, right? The apps, to get like 1 million downloads. Well, guess what? That person and I ended up partnering, and I added a few lectures to his course on Udemy, which is about how to make Android development. It's an Android development app, and it's about how to make apps, and it's a very popular topic. It's one of the most popular topics, right? And so I was able to partner with him, and now we are making good money on Udemy with that course. And you can essentially do this with anything. I did it with Udemy, and you can do it with multiple courses, right? As long as the partnership is one that truly offers something good to students. So, for example, I got approached. I help people with my courses are mostly about business and marketing. I have a few health and fitness courses that I did with my trainer, but mostly my courses are about business and marketing. And so I got approached by somebody who's into parenting. Well, I have nothing to add there, right? So I had to turn that down. And basically, if it's not related to my niches, to my areas of expertise, I just help them and get them going on their way. But if they are doing something that's very related, I suggest that we partner. In that way, I'm able to make money from their work by providing, because once we partner, I'm able to promote my courses to a lot of my students, if it makes sense for my students. And I have over 35,000 students, so it's a very attractive thing for my gig buyers, right? And so they want to partner with me, and it's attractive for me because I get to take advantage of I get to add their expertise to my list of courses and have a wider coverage of courses. So that's one thing I do. If you don't have a Udemy course, you can do this with many things. For example, if you help people with books, right? Well, books have a co-author, like Amazon has a co-author option, right? Where you can split revenue. Additionally, and you can help, you can partner the same way. You can become a second author, or at least get listed as one. You don't have to, whatever you do, maybe you do design or something. Another thing is, let's say that you have some affiliate product, right? You're helping people make money online. Well, you can get them to sell your affiliate product, right? So whatever your product is, you can get people to resell it, right? So there's many ways, as long as the gig you're selling, make sure, so you have to have a strategy for this. So the gig you're selling has to be strategically one where it gets you people who have a high chance of doing something that you can take advantage, right? You can help them, you can both help each other. You can help them maybe by promoting, maybe something else, maybe design, and of course you get to take advantage of their work, right? And that way, and you can make many such partnerships and let that just grow and grow and grow, because in partnerships what's really great is both people are promoting, and that really helps to increase sales, and of course you will split revenue, but you'll both work on the marketing. So you'll promote, and and this kind of a gig situation will be a continuous funnel for you to get you more great partners that you can partner with, and make really good money this way. I think this is a really strong strategy. It's very smart, and so if you have something like this, you can certainly give it a try, or at least think about it. Whatever your gigs that you offer may be, and it can be, I don't know what your gigs are. It can be anything, but think about how you can create a similar scenario for people, so that you can partner and take advantage of their work and make money from their work long term. Because if you make a digital product, for example, a book or a Udemy course, well, hopefully that thing can sell this year, next year, and 5 years from now, and you can make thousands, if not tens of thousands of dollars from a single $5 buyer over time.